Ok, tokrat je moj setup mečken čuden. Pojma ne vem, kako se bo to odneslo, by the way, zadaj. To je pralni stroj. Imam čuden setup, snemam z iPhoneom in se vidim na MacBooku, which is weird. Ampak sem se odločila, da moram tole na hitro posnet, ker je ura 15:60 po noči. In jaz sem dobila tole barvo. Tole je Igora Colorworks Intense Direct Dye Fuchsia od Schwarzkopfa. Link do tele barve bo v opisu spodaj. Zdaj pa najbolj, da jaz kar začnem z delom, ker tole moramo nekaj rešiti. V bistvu se tale barva, ko imam zdaj, se sploh ni tako slaba, pač zelena. Tokrat gremo na barvo, ki ste jo v bistvu izbrali vi na Instagramu. Zdaj ne vem točno, koliko so bili rezultati, ampak bolj kot ne skozi je bilo tako 50-50 in vedno je bila roza 1% pred vijolično, ker pač vijolična in roza sta bila na izbiro. In ja, roza je zmagala. Da gre zdaj roza moje lase. Zdaj pa tako jaz neham govoriti in grem kar direkt na delo. Ja, prvo si pogledajte še, kako izgleda frizura pred barvanjem. Zdaj bomo začeli. Gornje sep imam eno majico, za katero ker že itak čisto plekana. V tudi majici sem barvala kosto in tisti video si lahko pogledate nekje v enem od teh kotov. Upam, da se me kaj sliši. Ja, gremo na delo. Saj dejansko ta barva sploh ni tako slaba. Vsaj na kameri ful dobro izgleda. V živo je mečken bolj čudna. To je tak mi.
One time, pick up mic and I bust 2 times. If you like, then I bust 3 times. Hit it right, then she bust 4 times. Never line, I'm in line with it. I got the wheel, that's a way, I'm a line in it. I got a deal, double sweet, put a lime in it. I be the man of the hour, put a chime in it. Beat, beat, the type of brother clean the stash like a deep freak. I'm coming with a circuit overload, but ski. I put the panties out, we hit it while she sleep. Lord of the underground, #1 cheap. Rockin' shaka like a can't nobody stop me, The judge and prosecutor try to break me proper, The probe officer, she really try to knock me, And then she smile at me while I'm in the lobby. I ain't got no time for the view. Every time they stop my shine, I hit a lick. I don't want to find my shine to the lynch. Tune in the band like Sean, how I kick. It's lit, the wick, a flick. You loving how I ride it and I strike it with a bit. My modus operandi be karate, how I kick. The goal is stick of money and punani with my chick. The click, it's CSF, we be the best, so yes. Master of the flow with you, my dog say yes. Fire up the flow and blow the fog and stress. I'm running out of time from the snooze reset. Ooh, I ain't got no time, but in a minute, See to blow my line, but in a minute, And goddamn, she fine, but in a minute, I'm about to lose my mind up in a minute, I ain't got no time, but in a minute, And see to blow my line, but in a minute, And goddamn, she fine, but in a minute, I'm about to lose my mind, but in a minute, I'm strapped for time just like a bomb with no disarm. Then you wonder why I can't keep calm, I blow my fuse, go 10, go backhand, the fist, the open palm, Still pimping over here, my G, Herschel limping from the rear, my G, Cause the flow like a pier, my G. Cut cloth clear, like a shear, my G. I fear the G-O-D with me, relief can see everything I'm doing, I'm supposed to see. Ninja people hit the old Navy fleece, That's why it's on sale, like a DBC. I got no TME, they clock TOC. I get that workout money like GNC. I need triple payout, HEETs. Apple burnt out, hit you with a DND. Now don't TXT, back up off the G. You might have lost the beat, you're rapping awfully. DWZ to the NUTs. You can have these mofos with no FEEs. Hold up, I got the Noah, feeling who flow a coda. Sit with the finger, throw up, money no longer lower. Pull it out like a drawer, put it back in the drawer. Ninjas don't need to know what, keeping it saucy pro up, Used to think St. Thomas money's funny. Now I frown when I ain't running the hundreds. Pedal the metal, my cow, we got the gunning. Jack my style, Craig Mack the honeys. Behind the beat thumping, Kevin bump bumping. Hit you with the fire one time at the function. Forget a brother not dead, cop Patrice Russian. Connect via wire, no need for conjunction. I ain't got no time, but in a minute, See to blow my line, but in a minute, yeah. And goddamn, she fine, but in a minute, yeah. I'm about to lose my mind up in a minute, yeah. I ain't got no time, but in a minute, yeah. See to blow my line, but in a minute, yeah. And goddamn, she fine, but in a minute, yeah. I'm about to lose my mind, but in a minute, yeah. In a minute, baby, hold up, chick, yeah. In a minute, ninja, hold up, nick, yeah. In a minute, baby, hold up, chick, yeah. In a minute, ninja, hold up, nick, yeah. In a minute, yeah. In a minute, yeah. But in a minute, yeah. In a minute, yeah.
Kako se ti zdi?
Pa se ti že bila taka.
Kako se ti zdi, mami?
Oh, the best.
To je bila zdaj druga reakcija. No, in takle izgledajo lasi. Ja, meni so ful dobri. Vprašanje tedna je, katero barvo bi izbrala naslednjo. Sicer še ne vem, kdaj se bom barvala, ampak lahko jo vi izberete. Če vam je bil video všeč, dajte en like, subscribite se na moj kanal, komentirajte kaj, tule okoli mene bojo moji socialni mediji in pa komentar tedna. Ja, se vidimo naslednjič.
The night.